Hello guys, welcome to Sparky Media once again. In this video tutorial, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to give you guys a quick review on this platform you are seeing on your screen known as Videojob. I have received some questions regarding this platform, if this platform is actually a legit platform to make money from or a scam platform, if people are wasting their data on this platform, if they should join or not. All these things I'm going to give you just a brief review. In fact, I'm not going to be talking for long, so I'll be short in this video. Okay, but before we proceed guys, if you are new to this channel, my name is Sparky Media, and what I do on this channel is all about business. So if you're an online hustler or you have interest in making money online but you don't know how you can be receiving those updates, or you don't know how you can be getting those updates that can pay you for real, then worry no more, because Sparky Media got you covered. All you need to do for you not to miss any of my updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen, and then turn on notification bell so that to be among the first person to be notified whenever I release videos on how to make money online with your smartphone. Okay, now back to business. What is this platform all about? This platform you are seeing on your screen known as Videojob is an online earning platform which claims that you can actually make money by watching YouTube videos on the platform. How real and legit is this? All this is what you are going to find out in this video. Okay, now how does this platform work? First of all, you have to be a registered member. When you register on this platform, you will be given a welcome bonus of 15 USD. Okay, and then you can also do job to earn money on this platform by watching videos. When you scroll down, you can see this place here. You can see videos, ways to make money. You watch this video now, they are going to pay you $3 in this video. You watch this one, $17. You watch this one, you can see another extra bonus. Okay, this one is invitation. When you invite friends, you are going to get you are going to get $17. Okay, but you can see this place, you can see videos, ways to make money. You watch video. Okay, so that is it guys. So, and then you also invite your friends. When you invite your friends, the platform is going to reward you if your friend clicks on the link you leave for them, or let me just say, you will also get bonus of $15 added to the $2 you're going to get per click, making it 17. Okay, so that is how this platform is guys. And now, how do you place withdrawal? It is very simple. Click on this grid here. When you click on the grid, you can see this can say withdrawal. Click on withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal is 150 USD. So you can see this place here. You set your payment details, and then you can request for withdrawal. Okay, so you can see it here. The minimum withdrawal is 150 USD, and the equivalent is 65,000. So that is the only equivalent. Now I have explained to you guys what this platform is and the reason why I am making this video. Please, you only make money on this platform watching YouTube video, and you also make money when you invite friends. So as simple as that. It doesn't require you to invest any money. It's totally free. But how real and legit is this platform? Listen to me guys. This platform you are seeing on your screen is scam. Okay, the platform you are seeing on your screen is scam. Let's recall easy earn and money easily. How many of you have wasted your time on money easily? How many of you have wasted your time on easy earn? If you know any of this platform I have just mentioned now, and how many of you have wasted your time on CashTube? Or many of them, majority of them. In fact, there are so many of them that came like this and claims that you can make money by watching YouTube video. My brother, my sister, you are not earning any money. Okay, all these things you are seeing on this platform is fake. If you think I am joking or you are doubting me, when you reach the minimum withdrawal, if you withdraw the money, you are not going to receive anything. The reason being that this platform does not have any means of generating revenue for the user. Rather, they use their users as their source of traffic. This platform uses you as source of traffic to get YouTube watch hour. As simple as that. The platform is not going to pay you any dime. Okay, so they're just wasting your time. You're wasting your time, your energy, your resources on this platform. So if you have been participating on this platform and you are hoping, wishing, happy, you are happy that you're going to cash out, my brother, my sister, please listen to me very attentively. There is nothing for you on this platform. This platform is a scam. If you participated in money easily, if you participated in easy earn, all those platforms, they are all the same. They uses their members, or they uses their users as source of traffic. They use you to generate traffic for them own self, and at the end of the day, they're not going to pay you a dime. So that is it guys, as simple as that. If you have been paid on this platform and you are watching this video and you think I'm wrong in this video, please kindly comment below. And if you have been performing tasks on this platform, you have been watching videos on this platform, and at the end of the day you placed a withdrawal and you did not receive anything. So you can also comment at the comment section on this video. So go to comment section, drop your own comments below. Okay, drop your feedback if you have been participating in this platform. Have you been paid on this platform? If yes, comment below to prove me wrong. Okay, but all I know, this platform is a scam. That is it, guys. So if you see this platform, if anybody send you the link, don't mind the person. This platform is what? Scam. 100% scam. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky Media, aka Legit Boss. If you have any question, please don't forget the comment section is widely open for you. You can go there and comment, and I'll also be there to reply you. Thank you. See you guys.